You're not coming in with a gun in my house, so...
Yes, I just said you could bring her
Sir,
over so we can say hi.
I don't need the condescending, okay? I didn't say you said anything. I'm making a statement. Please don't do that. Please don't overtalk me, sir.
We could easily end this if you just let us talk to your grandmother and we'll be on our way.
You keep interrupting me. You are not in control here, public servant. Do you understand that?
What's up, y'all? We have a short but good educational video for you guys today. We're going to learn 3 lessons from this, maybe even more. First lesson is to never open your door to police unless they have a warrant to search your home. This guy opens the door, but it seems as if he has a security door, so we'll give him a pass for that. Second lesson is to never speak to police. They are not your friends. They will use everything and anything against you in a court of law. The last thing we're going to learn from this video will be discussed at the end of the video, so don't go anywhere. It's a short but good video. Let's get right to it. And don't forget to check this guy's channel out.
Hi, Officer Allen Marysville Police Department.
How may I help you? I need your names and badge numbers,
Like
please.
I said, Officer Allen Marysville Police Department.
I couldn't understand you, sir.
Okay. So, badge number is 84. I have a body camera on you.
You can alter your body cam footage.
Is your sister Stephanie or cousin or...
That would be my niece.
Oh, your niece?
Yeah.
She wanted us to check on Grandma. Said she's afraid she's overdosing.
Well,
Do you mind if she just talks to us and lets us know?
well, I don't mind. I don't. You're not coming in with a gun in my house, so...
Yes, I just said you could bring her
Sir.
over so we can say hi.
I don't need the condescending, okay? I didn't say you said anything. I'm making a statement. Please don't do that.
I'm not here saying anything. I'm just asking if we could talk to your grandma.
I never... She's not my grandma.
Okay.
She's my mom. Are you confused? I need to know what you know so that way...
I just told you. Stephanie sent us over, says she's afraid that her grandmother's overdosing.
Okay. Okay. Well, she's in the bathroom right now. What's your name and badge number, ma'am? Can you step closer so I can hear you? Are you refusing to identify so I can clearly hear you?
So she said Stewart 198.
I asked her, not you.
Okay, well that's fine.
I can't hear you, so don't be disrespectful. I could be deaf for all you know. Please don't overtalk me, sir.
We could easily end this if you just let us talk to your grandmother and we'll be on our way.
You keep interrupting me. You are not in control here, public servant. Do you understand that? Now I'm gonna stream. I'm gonna start streaming you live. What is your name and badge number? And please, I'm talking to her. Please be quiet. Shut your mouth. Zip your lip, public servant. Be quiet. Be quiet, public servant. I am speaking here. Do you understand? Say yes or no, and then shut the fuck up. Shut up. You are not in charge here, buddy. You work for me. What's your name and badge number? And if you're not going to refuse, you can leave my property now.
It's not your property.
This is my property. I pay for this rent. Now you're trespassing. I am trespassing you. Get off my doorstep. Move your ass to the public easement.
We're just here to do what...
Bye. You're dismissed. Do not knock on my door again. It's harassment.
Oh, it's not harassment.
Bye.
Alright folks, what did we learn from this video? We learned at least 3 things. First was to never open your door for police unless they have a warrant to search the premises. Second thing we learned, that cops will use everything and anything you say against you in the court of law. Your best bet is to shut up like you lost your voice. Say absolutely nothing. Last thing we learned should have been the first for me, and that's to know your rights. Learn what your natural rights are. By knowing your rights, you get to control the interaction. If you're going to open your mouth and speak to police, you'd better be the one asking questions and dismissing them swiftly. Without knowing your rights, cops will take advantage of you in every way. One more thing I'd like to add before you guys get out of here and put this video on the dusty shelves of YouTube, always record the police, especially if you're the one being accosted. If it's your word against theirs, the judges will rule against you. Your video is your biggest defense. Don't forget that freedom of speech is part of your First Amendment. You don't need a press pass or credentials to record police in public or on your own property. With that being said, I want to thank you all for tuning in. Subscribe and hit the bell for future notifications. It really helps get the word out. And don't forget to go say hello to the original content creator. Thank him for his efforts. We'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Here they come.